everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be opening up my Influenster VoxBox, and yeah, I just wanted to open it up and share with you guys what I got basically. So that's what kind of type of video this is gonna be. So let's open it up. I just got it in the mail today. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. Let's get started. The first thing is this gold bond. Oh, actually, where's the, isn't there like a thing? Yeah, let me get the little paper it comes with. So this is the gold bond ultimate overnight deep moisturizing lotion. So this MSRP is for $7.99 for a full bottle. So yeah, I don't know, it says it has melatonin and antioxidants, so I'm gonna try this. I'll put this on my body tonight. Next thing we have is this big thing that's on my lap here. This is the Classico Organic Pasta Sauce. So yummy. I'm pretty sure I can use that still on my Weight Watchers. I'll try to see if I can, like, I'll scan it and see how many points it is per serving on this. So yeah, I'm actually really excited that I got this. And let's see, this is $2.78 if you're wanting to buy a normal full-size bottle of the Classico Organic. Okay, next thing we have is this. Oh, they're lashes. I thought it was glue for a second. Oh my, I love when they send me lashes. Thank you. Kiss Lashes says MSRP $3.99 to $6.99. So what style did I get? Dreamy? That is actually a style I have never tried before, so I'm really excited for that. And I need lashes. If you've been following me, I did get my eyelash extensions. I didn't get them taken off. I took them off. I literally picked them off, which is something they say you don't do, but I didn't want to go pay to get them taken off, so whatever. But let me just show you how short my lashes are. Look at this, people. Super short. Oh, I got my foundation on here. So yeah, my lashes are super short right now. So lashes every day kind of are a must for me, so I'm really excited. Anyways, moving on. Oh, there was glue. So they did send a glue with it. Oh, that's nice. So this is the lash strip adhesive. So I've had this one before, the same exact one before I bought it. And it's not my favorite one because the glue is really hard. Like, it's really hard. I like to use the duo glue on my lashes because when I take them off, they don't rip my eyelashes off, my real eyelashes. So this is, I mean, I'll probably use it more of a backup when I run out, or like when I don't have it. I might put it in my purse as a backup. But still nice that they sent the glue with the lashes. My son's jumping around in his room. Okay, and last thing we have in here is this Suave Dry Spray Antiperspirant Deodorant. So this retails for $4.49 per bottle, and it is 3.8 ounces. So I'm really excited to try this. I probably wouldn't spend $4.49 on a spray bottle of deodorant, but hey, whatever. It says 48-hour protection, but you probably should be showering before 48 hours, so whatever. But it's wild cherry blossom. Let's smell it. Let's just spray it and smell it. Woo. Smells good. I will be using it. I'm not gonna lie. I will probably use it every day. So yeah, this was actually a really good box. This was the Year of You box. So sorry I didn't say that like the whole time of this video, but it's the Year of You VoxBox. And yeah, if you don't know what Influencer is, you are missing out. Go sign up. I've talked about it before. I'm not going to give a whole spiel about it, but basically they send you full-size products and you just have to review them and share them on social media and stuff like that. But I'm really excited. I'm going to go and pop these now, but thanks for watching my short little video with this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!